Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. If you have connected a Wi-Fi but a error message pop up, no internet access. In this video I will tell you how to fix this problem, so keep the video till the end and follow my step to fix the problem. First, when you are facing this problem, then go to the setting and then click on the network and internet. Now click on the internet and click on the Wi-Fi that you have connected and forget the password. After forgetting the password, reconnect the Wi-Fi again and check the problem. As you can see here, working properly. If this solution is not working, then next is again go to the setting and go to the systems. Now click on the reset option and erase all the data. After doing this step, check the problem. If it error persists, then check. Then next is restart your device. Press on your power button and restart your device. After doing this step, check the problem. If it persists, then contact the internet provider. So by this way you can fix the internet issue. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.